हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल बंचलॉन। तो लास्ट क्लास में बोला था कि जो हमारा दूसरे सेकंड पार्ट में आ जाएगा हाउ टू मेक द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ टू मेक द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Okay, so dear students, before that, the interrogative sentence, what do you mean by interrogative sentence? If someone asks some question to you, then normally the interrogative sentence end with the question mark. The interrogative sentence end with the question mark. Okay, then interrogative sentence are of two types. Interrogative sentence are of two types. Interrogative sentence are of two types. One is your yes or no, and another one is your WH what. तो हम एक डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस को जब इंटरगेटिव फॉर्म में करेंगे तो टू वेज में कर सकते हैं, राइट? वन इज योर yes no फॉर्मेट में, so another one is your WH word में. Then how can we change the affirmative declarative sentence into the yes no format? तो एग्जैक्टली प्रीवियस क्लास में भी बोला था व्हाट इज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. तो very simple, you just find out the auxiliary verb and just take it and place in the first position of the sentence, then it becomes the yes no format, right? So let's have some examples. Yes no, how can we convert the sentence into yes no format, right? So here is a sentence example. Here is the sentence, Hari plays cricket, right? Then this is the affirmative sentence. Then how can we change into the interrogative form? Then in this way, how can we change into the yes no format, right? तो yes no format में क्या चाहिए? एक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब की जरूरत है जिसको हम पहले रखेंगे, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे प्लेज कैसे फॉर्मेशन हुआ? प्ले के साथ डज है, तो हमको मिल गया अभी डज. नाउ हियर द डज एंड विल टेक डज द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, राइट? डज हरी प्ले cricket? Okay, now this becomes into the interrogative form, and this format is called your yes no. Exactly, जितने भी auxiliary verb है, you will just take it and place it in the starting of the sentence, then it becomes the yes no format. Like another example, they were farmers. So here the auxiliary verb is were, and we'll just take it the starting of the sentence, were they farmers. So now it becomes the yes no format. Okay, so another example, I have many books. Then here auxiliary verb is have, and have you many books? Now it becomes interrogative sentence, and this format is called your yes no format. Then जितने भी modal auxiliary like this modal auxiliary, I can lift this box. So very easy. Then here is the auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary. Can you lift this box? Okay, now it becomes interrogative form, and this is the way of the sentence in the interrogative in which format? Now yes no format. Let's start. How can we change in WH word form? So all of you know what are the WH word? Why, whom, and who, whose, like this. These are called your WH word. And how can we make the interrogative sentence using WH word? It is also a very easy way. Okay, so let's start. ओके, सो जैसे कि मैं पूछा तुम क्या कर रही हो, तुम क्या कर रही हो, राइट? व्हाट व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग। तो ऐसे पूछने से तुम क्या कर रहे हो ऐसे बनता है व्हाट आर यू डूइंग। जैसे कि देखो, सपोज मैं एक सेंटेंस लिख रहा हूं, टीचर टीचर्स इंग्लिश। Okay, this is a declarative sentence. Now it make it change into the interrogative form. पहले yes no में करता हूँ. So here teaches, now teaches forms teach plus does. We'll take does here. Does teacher teach English, right? So whenever you make using the WH word, then here WH word use करेंगे who, then who teaches English हो सकता है, or if using the WH word what, then it becomes what does what does teacher what does teacher teach, what does teacher teach. So this is called your WH word, right? WH word format में ऐसे करेंगे कि WH word में सिंपल वे WH word को पहले लिख लो, उसके बाद जो है ना जो तुम्हारा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब उसको WH word WH के बाद लिखो, it becomes the interrogative form and this is called your WH word format में इसी सेंटेंस लिखते हैं हम लोग, right? So guys, I think you just look the video carefully and you will understand and this is the easy way we can make the sentence into the interrogative form. Thank you guys.